Asus is already preparing for its next releases in the global market. That's because sources heard by DigiTimes say the company is preparing to announce a smartphone known as the Zenfone Mini. The idea is similar to what Apple did with the iPhone 12 mini, offering a small smartphone that appeals to audiences who can't get used to larger displays. Even so, there is a good chance that it will be made official as Zenfone 8 mini. In addition, the device will feature premium specs in a small form factor. For now, Asus does not confirm the information, thus, this is still a rumor. Anyway, some market analysts already believe that this could be a risky bet by the company. That's because Apple failed to attract public attention with its iPhone 12 mini. As a result, Apple was forced to reduce production of the device to focus on models that are excess of demand. On the other hand, there are chances that a smaller device will be well accepted in the Android world because the public that buys iPhone is quite different from those looking for a smartphone with Google system. It is worth remembering that Asus has also been working on the development of a new ROG Phone 5. Now let's talk about the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. OnePlus 9 was spotted in the hands of a user. With that, we already had access to the first design details of the device. After that, on 6 February, a well-known Canadian YouTuber released a kind of hands-on of the new OnePlus 9 Pro. With that, a small detail came up. The Chinese manufacturer is preparing an unusual partnership with the well-known camera brand Hasselblad. The company name appears on the prototype of the Pro variant. For now, OnePlus remains silent about the leak. It is worth remembering that the OnePlus 9 series does not even have an official date for its launch. Even so, the leaks are constant and most of the device's specifications are already out. The devices should come out of the box with a Snapdragon 888 processor, a 120Hz refresh rate display, and a 4500 mAh battery. Another important detail is the presence of Android 11. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to support me on Patreon, the link is given in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.